Your TV might be making money right now. Not for you, for them. Every time you watch Netflix, YouTube, or even cable, your smart TV could be tracking everything and selling it. Not just to advertisers, but to data brokers, insurance companies, and entire financial networks built on your personal data. This industry is worth billions of dollars per year, and you're the product. Stay with me, because in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how much your data is worth, who's buying it, and how to shut it down. And if you like the content, subscribe to help the channel grow. You'll also be notified when we upload similar videos. Let's dive in. There's a hidden system inside your TV called ACR, Automatic Content Recognition. Sounds harmless. It's not. Your TV is taking constant snapshots of your screen every few seconds and matching them against massive databases. It doesn't matter if you're watching Netflix, YouTube, cable, a USB movie, it tracks everything. Now here's where it gets serious. That data gets turned into a consumer profile, including your income level, your interests, your habits, even your potential future purchases. This is called behavioral data monetization, and companies pay a premium for it. Why? Because this kind of data is more valuable than social media data. Now let's talk about something even worse. Your TV might not just be watching, it might be listening. Voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant require your TV microphone to be always on. That means it's constantly waiting, constantly scanning. In the past, manufacturers have even warned users, don't discuss sensitive information near your TV. Think about that. Your living room, the place you feel safest, is part of a data collection system. Now, combine that with your IP address, your location, your app usage, your browsing behavior, and suddenly, you're not just a viewer, you're a data asset. So who's making money from this? 3 major players. 1. Advertisers. They use your data for hyper-targeted ads, the kind that predict what you'll buy before you even search for it. 2. Data brokers. These companies buy your data, bundle it, and resell it. Your TV data gets combined with your name, your email, your estimated income, and your location, creating a full financial identity profile. 3. Insurance and financial companies. Yes, even them. Your behavior patterns can influence risk scoring, pricing models, and consumer segmentation. That means your data isn't just being used to sell you products, it could influence how companies evaluate you financially. And here's the craziest part. Some smart TV companies now make more money from data and advertising than from selling the actual TVs. They don't sell TVs, they sell you. All right, here's how you take back control. And this takes less than 5 minutes. Step 1. Turn off ACR. Look for Viewing Information Services, Samsung, Live Plus, LG, and Smart Interactivity, Vizio. Turn it off. Step 2. Disable the microphone. If you don't use voice commands, kill it. Step 3. Opt out of targeted ads. Find limit ad tracking or interest-based ads. Turn them off. Step 4. Use external devices. Streaming sticks like Roku or Apple TV give you better control over your data footprint. Step 5. Upgrade your network security. Advanced move. Use tools that block tracking domains at the router level. This protects your TV, your phone, your entire home network. This is real cybersecurity. Your smart TV isn't broken. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do. Make money off you. But now you know the system, how your data is collected, how it's sold, and how to stop it. If this surprised you, comment "data" below and send this to someone who owns a smart TV, which is basically everyone. Subscribe for more videos exposing how companies make money from your everyday tech.